Most affiliate sites are managed by the fulfillment center and not the store owner. Because this is the situation, we typically want full control over the pricing because we want to be able to override anything. How it worked for years is we have the wholesale price. So that's the cost of the blank plus a markup and then the decoration on top of it. So that creates the wholesale price. The affiliate then marks that up to create the final retail price that the end consumer pays for the order. Now, because most sites are managed by the fulfillment center, we want more control over being able to sell a product for less than the wholesale price or override minimums, ignore setup fees, and so forth. So if we come into the administration of a site, decorated products, we can choose to ignore quantity rules, ignore setup fees, ignore quantity discounts, and ignore the blank product color differences. So by ignoring these things, we gain complete control over the pricing when creating a pre-decorated product. And that's a great tool. So if I check all of these, I click save, I can then create a pre-decorated product in which we're ignoring the minimum. So if we had set up screen printing, we had a minimum of 12, that minimum is now gone. If we had screen setup fees, typically, that is now gone. If we had quantity discounts for it, we can ignore those. So it's a really powerful tool to gain complete access over the pricing of the pre-decorated products. Another thing you can do is also come into artwork approvals, where you can choose to essentially ignore artwork approvals for orders placed through this site. That's going to then again skip the artwork approval phase when you're in Business Hub, and it's just another good thing to configure here so that when you're processing the order in Business Hub, it can easily skip that step and not become kind of in your way when you're trying to process these orders in bulk. If you have any questions on how to configure the pre-decorated product or the artwork approval settings, simply come up to the top and search our vast amount of help articles, or click on the question mark and raise a support ticket where client services can definitely help you with any questions that you're having or help you work through any problems that you're experiencing. Hopefully you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching.